now to the national capital. There's a dramatic twist in the Delhi dangal. Just weeks before the Delhi Assembly elections, black flags were shown to the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal while he was campaigning for the New Delhi Assembly constituency. The Aam Aadmi Party has alleged, though, that these were BJP candidate Parvesh Verma's goons and shared a video to allege that even stones were pelted on Kejriwal's vehicle in a bid to attack him. The Aam Aadmi Party has claimed that Kejriwal is being targeted because the BJP wants to stop him from campaigning and asserted that the party will take legal action. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party also shared pictures of the alleged attacker on the social media X and claimed that the man who attacked Kejriwal was a close aide of Parvesh Verma.
आज बौखलाहट की हालत देखिए कि अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर पत्थर से हमला कर रहे हैं। प्रवेश वर्मा के लोगों ने अभी जो जानकारी मिली, मैं अभी सभा में था, कि उनके ऊपर पत्थर से हमला किया। ये गुंडागर्दी से चुनाव जीतना चाहते हो दिल्ली का? हमला करके चुनाव जीतना चाहते हो? आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता न तुम्हारे आगे कभी झुके हैं न झुकेंगे। ऐसे कायराना हरकतें क्यों करते हो? उससे क्या हासिल हो जाएगा? तो इसलिए ये कायरों की पार्टी है बीजेपी, इनके सामने हम लोग रुकने और झुकने वाले नहीं हैं।
Well, Times Now also examined Kejriwal's car after the Aam Aadmi Party claimed that stones were pelted on it, and here's what we found.
This is a particular vehicle which is the particular vehicle which was put under the attack. We are here and we have seen the manner in which the stone was thrown. We have come here. In the visuals you can see this is the dent map. So exclusive visuals only for the viewers of Times Now. This is the windshield. This is the sunroof of this Vedat which has received a dent because of the stone which was thrown.
The BJP candidate from the New Delhi constituency, Parvesh Verma, has refuted the Aam Aadmi Party's charge and instead alleged that Kejriwal's car hit 3 local residents, leaving them injured. In fact, he also went to a hospital in Delhi to meet those who were allegedly injured in this accident. Parvesh Verma then claimed that Kejriwal's convoy had hit the local residents because the former chief minister was scared of facing their questions. The BJP leader said that he will be filing an FIR against Kejriwal, accusing him of attempt to murder.
केजरीवाल की खुद की गाड़ी ने तीनों लोकल जो यहाँ के यूथ है उनको अपनी गाड़ी से टक्कर मारी है। तीनों को सीरियस इंजरी है। हम यहाँ के लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन पे यहाँ पे अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ में FIR दर्ज कराने जा रहे हैं। देखिए वहाँ पे इलेक्शन कमीशन थे, वहाँ पे पुलिस थी, सबके पास में वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, एक नहीं 50-50 वीडियो हैं। जब वो सबके सामने आएगी तो सबको सच पता लग जाएगा।
Well, Times Now spoke to the people who were present at the spot and they claim to be locals who tried to stop Kejriwal and asked him questions about jobs. Here's what they told Times Now.
आप लोग वही थे, आप बीजेपी से हैं?
नहीं, हम वहाँ के लोकल रेजिडेंट थे। वहाँ पर हमारे साथ सारे युवा लोग खड़े थे। हम लोग वहाँ पर सिर्फ हमने केजरीवाल से जिसे एक चीज़ पूछी, आप 11 साल से कहाँ थे? अब 11 साल बाद हमारे आ रहे तो हमारी नौकरियाँ कहाँ हैं? हम लोग बाहर वेट कर रहे थे उनका। जब वो बाहर से निकल रहे थे तो हम लोगों ने उनको रोकने की कोशिश करी, सवाल पूछने की कोशिश करी। उस दौरान पहले गाड़ी रुकी, फिर केजरीवाल जी अंदर से इशारा किया और उन्होंने हमारे 3 लड़कों के ऊपर गाड़ी चढ़ा दी।
हमारी कॉलोनी से बाहर ही निकाला उन्होंने। हमारी कॉलोनी से बाहर निकालने के बाद फिर हमने रोका उनको। हमने जब उनसे सवाल करने गए अपनी उसके लिए जो क्या बोलते हैं,
तो गाड़ी हिट करी?
हाँ जी, हिट करके मेरा जो भाई है ना अभिषेक, हाँ जी अभिषेक सिंह, तो उनके पैर प्रेस कर दिया बीच में गाड़ी के दोनों। उनके पैर में फ्रैक्चर हो चुका है।
Meanwhile, the Congress party also waded into the BJP versus the Aam Aadmi Party face-off, saying there's no place for violence in democracy.
हमले की तो हम निंदा करते हैं, किसी भी तरीके की हिंसा निंदा करते हैं। हमारे लोकतंत्र में, हमारे प्रजातंत्र में हिंसा की कोई जगह नहीं है। मैं बस आशा करूंगा कि पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट करे कि इसके पीछे क्या है क्या नहीं है। हिंसा का जवाब हिंसा नहीं होता। अगर किसी ने आपको मारा है उसको पुलिस के हवाले करिए। हम लोग राजनीति में हैं, हम लोगों को सभ्यता से रहना चाहिए। क्या इंसिडेंट है क्योंकि इससे मुझे जानकारी नहीं है, लेकिन जो लोग चोट भी लगी है मैं उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। लेकिन सबसे कहूंगा, चुनाव है, चुनाव की वोट की इसकी एक प्रतिद्वंद्विता है। ये कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है, ये कोई लड़ाई नहीं है, इसमें हिंसा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, this is a shocking twist to the entire campaign. Arvind Kejriwal alleging that he was attacked. He claims that stones were also pelted. The BJP alleging a completely different story.
Well, indeed, allegations and counter-allegations are coming in on the part of the BJP as well as Aam Aadmi Party, as it was the Aam Aadmi Party who has made this allegation at first that there is an attack which had taken place when Arvind Kejriwal was holding a campaigning in the national capital, in which they have mentioned and made this allegation against the BJP candidate Parvesh Verma, in which the Aam Aadmi Party had said that the goons of Mr. Parvesh Verma has attacked Arvind Kejriwal, not just when he was doing the campaigning, but also when he was sitting inside the car. There were some of the stones which are also being pelted upon his vehicle. So that was a big claim which was being made by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders yesterday, and for that reason now a counter allegation had also come on the part of the BJP, as well as it was Mr. Parvesh Verma who has mentioned that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, when he was doing this campaigning, and when some of the local residents shown black flags to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he sat inside the car, and his car has also hit some of the local residents there when they were trying to ask some kind of questions from the Aam Aadmi Party convener. So for that reason now it is Mr. Parvesh Verma who is also making this allegation that because of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, many of these local residents have also been admitted to the hospital because they have been injured seriously, and for that reason he is also saying that the BJP is also going to file an FIR against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal for making this kind of an attack upon the local residents when he was holding this campaigning. So from both the sides we have seen that how war of words has erupted. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that it is because the BJP is feeling insecure ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections that they are opting to such kind of tactics. On the other side, it is the BJP which is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is basically trying to get away from all the questions which the people of Delhi wants to ask to them about their promises, about their claims which they had made in the past 10 years.
Okay, all right, Nyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. War of words continues. The complaint we filed in this regard, and how is this escalating from here? We're keeping a track of that. Quick break. We'll be right back.